Imagine asking the world's smartest AI which digital marketing agency to choose, and your company's name never appears. That's the reality for ElitWeb. Despite offering competitive services and earning strong client reviews, ElitWeb is essentially invisible to the AI engines that now power most online recommendations. In this video, we'll break down why ElitWeb is missing from the conversation, what the data reveals, and how this impacts real business opportunities. Let's start by understanding what AI visibility means and why it's now critical for any agency's growth. ElitWeb's average visibility score is just 20.6 out of 100, a number that places it in the barely visible to invisible range. This score is calculated across 4 major AI models: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. The harsh truth: 3 out of 4 of these models have zero or near zero training data about ElitWeb. Only Perplexity returned meaningful information, and even that comes with a warning about possible hallucinated details. For most potential clients using AI to find agencies, ElitWeb simply doesn't exist. Let's look at the competition. WebFX leads the pack with a score of 95, followed by Thrive Internet and Ignite Visibility. These agencies are consistently recommended by AI thanks to strong online footprints and frequent mentions in trusted sources. ElitWeb, by contrast, ranks 5th with only one AI model recognizing its existence. This gap isn't about service quality, it's about discoverability. If you're not visible to AI, you're not in the running when clients ask for recommendations. What do the major AI models actually say? ChatGPT and Claude both return almost nothing: no brand recognition, no service details, not even a basic description. Gemini's data is missing but likely similar. Only Perplexity provides a detailed response, but even that information can't be fully trusted without verification. This means that for most users, ElitWeb is invisible in AI-powered searches, missing out on countless potential leads. Despite this invisibility, ElitWeb has real strengths: high ratings on Clutch and Upcity, clear service differentiation, and notable enterprise clients like BMW and KIA. However, these positives are overshadowed by critical gaps. 3 out of 4 AI models have no training data on ElitWeb, and the agency is never mentioned in AI recommendation tests. There's also no presence on forums like Reddit or Quora, and much of the available data is unverified or possibly hallucinated. How does this matter? AI-powered recommendation engines are now the gatekeepers for B2B service discovery. When potential clients ask, "Who's the best digital marketing agency?" AI models like ChatGPT and Claude handle millions of queries daily. If your agency isn't recognized or recommended, you're losing business to competitors who are. Visibility isn't just about being online, it's about being present in the sources AI trusts and learns from. But what can ElitWeb do right now? The first step is to establish a strong AI discoverable footprint. This means ensuring profiles on Clutch, G2, Captura, and Upcity are complete and accurate with up-to-date services, pricing, and case studies. Every review earned on these platforms sends a signal to future AI models. These are the sources that AI systems scrape for training data, so completeness and accuracy here are essential. Next, ElitWeb needs to create content that AI can easily find and learn from. This includes publishing comparison articles, listicles, and detailed case studies on your website. Getting mentioned in industry roundups and answering questions on forums like Reddit and Quora also helps. These steps build the kind of authority and presence that AI models recognize and recommend. Over time, this will shift your visibility score upward and put you back in the conversation. Lasting impact: ElitWeb should aim for authoritative mentions in sources like Wikipedia, Search Engine Journal, and Moz Blog. Even a single press mention in Forbes or TechCrunch can dramatically boost AI visibility. Podcast appearances and PR outreach further strengthen your digital footprint. These efforts take time, but they're essential for moving from invisible to top of mind in AI-driven recommendations. With a focused strategy, ElitWeb can transform its AI presence in just a few months. Summary: ElitWeb's current invisibility to AI is a fixable problem. By updating key profiles, creating AI-friendly content, and pursuing authoritative mentions, the agency can quickly improve its visibility score. The digital landscape is changing. AI is now the gatekeeper for client recommendations. With the right strategy, ElitWeb can move from being overlooked to being a top choice in AI-powered searches. The time to act is now.